Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be tuning my mechanical liner for the 01 slider. This is the mechanical version. Let me pull out my... So these are the magnetic ones I have right here. So this is number 45, number 87 for the 01, and these will be magnetic, and then this is the mechanical one. Today we're going to be tuning it, putting in some, I think, weaker springs, or trying out the different types of springs they have. And yeah, let's get right into it. So basically, take out our little toolbox, or tool bag, I guess you can say. Okay, I'll leave those in there for a second. Alright, so what you want to do first is go ahead and undo the springs. Undo the screws over here on this side. So set that aside here. And then what you want to do, so once you extend it, try to pull it off. The two balls will pop into the holes. So then what you want to do is take two pointy objects. I'm using screwdrivers. And basically what you want to do is kind of push in and then kind of slide. Wow, I don't know if you guys saw that, but that spring just launched up in the air. Now you gotta, so these balls came out. Now you gotta take them out. Take the springs right here. So once you do that, you slide it off. Get the springs out, the balls out, put them aside here. And then you can slide this off. So this is the inside of it. So basically these balls go here with the springs, and then they go along the track like that, and it makes that sound. Then what you want to do is take your, I'm pretty sure these are weaker springs. So yeah, I'm going to put those in. And then we're going to put these back. That's just some extra screws and stuff and extra balls. Then what you want to do is put the balls back on. And then slide it back on. Then you want to kind of push down so the balls go under the plate. Lock in there. And then what you want to do is, again, push it down. Push it down and then slide it. There we go. And then put the screw back in. Oh yeah, this is definitely weaker weaker springs. All right, let's go ahead and do the other side so you guys can see. This is the springs we just put in. Very, very light, you know what I mean? You can slide it very easily. And then this is the stiffer springs. It's very hard to move them, so yeah. Now let's go ahead and do that. Take it out. Take the springs. So right here are the springs that we're gonna be putting in. These are, you gotta be really careful trying to not lose these springs. I'm gonna put them in here along with all the balls and extra screws. All right, so springs here, put them on top of this. So the balls are in the place, locked in. You gotta push down. Shit. Gotta push down. There we go. And then carefully. Damn it, it's gonna get. I'm just trying to do it carefully so the springs don't fly out. So the balls flew out. Put that here. Slide that off. Get the springs out. We'll set them aside right here. Actually, no, these are the stiff springs. We want the soft springs in there. We'll put these away in here. Along with these. All right, do we have 1, 2, 3, 4? Perfect. All right, yeah, I'm just trying to not lose these springs. And then you just put those back in and then slide them back on. There we go. Put the screw back on. There we go. Yeah, this is much lighter than the stiff springs. Honestly, I prefer using it without the shells, like without like exchanging this for this. So yeah, I kind of like using it like this. It's thinner and just, I don't know, it feels better in my hand. I am actually selling this if anyone's interested. Email me, put my email down below. So yeah, but this thing's pretty good. Like, I just love using just the one side of it like this. Yeah, that's great. Sounds amazing. So there's moving because there's the weaker springs. But yeah, overall this thing's amazing. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and just do this right now. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. Gonna screw these. This slide is actually also for sale if anyone's interested. Put that there. Come on, get out. There you go, guys. This is what Blasted Zirconium looks like. Alright. Feels weird using it without the top. Alright, let's get the other side off too. Bro, come on. There we go. That's the second part. Yeah, this is what it is. Great. Now let's put in the mechanical liner. One screw in. All right, that side is on. Oops, don't go in, don't go in there. Perfect, in. All right. Oh yeah, it's buttery. Oh yeah, this thing's buttery smooth. This is obviously very light. These springs are way stiffer. But yeah, this thing's amazing. Now I don't know if I should sell this thing. I had this with the stiff springs on. It was okay, but I like this better. All right, well, that'll be all for this video, guys. I'm gonna leave it like this. So if you are interested in these, and the mechanical liner and the 01 EDC and zirconium, if you are interested, email me. I'll leave the email down below. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to check out our channel sponsors down below, from Big White EDC and G1.com. My viewers get a special discount, so yeah, check them out.